All right, so for variable speed pumps, adjustable flow, however you want to call it, what we use for most of our ponds are going to be the AquaSurge 2,000 to 4,000 or 4,000 to 8,000. And then there's an SLD pump that goes 5,000 to 9,000. That'll be some bigger ones. You're going to have control panels that look just like this. These control panels get mounted typically. And what's cool about it is we're going to probably create a separate video for how the app side works. But you can connect this directly to your phone via Wi-Fi. So as long as this box is close enough and can connect to your Wi-Fi system, and that's actually probably the biggest challenge. And that's why I'm going to show you, because a lot of customers can't do that. This is how you would use it. So what's really cool is on the very bottom of this, right? So actually to start with, you've got this really cool wire right here. This is what connects to the actual pump that goes in. So it's not just hardwired in with this, right? It's a really cool watertight control. It's not hardwired in. So if this box were ever to go bad, you could get a new receiver without having to replace the entire thing, and that's why they do that part. So then from here, the other side, it plugs into an outlet. So you guys are gonna have what looks like a light switch on the bottom. In our other video, we're gonna explain how the remote side of it works without having just to use the control panel. So for now, I'm just gonna show you what the front digital is. So this is a really cool system. It's a barely touch system. It recognizes like your fingerprint almost. You don't actually have to press and click a button. It's more of a touch sense. So the idea is you can do it on or off. So you can kind of see, it's off right now. The idea is as soon as you flip it on, for some reason, somebody left this only at 5. This is my retail showroom. That's ridiculous. We gotta jack that thing up. So all you're doing is just touching it and getting it back up to 10. But that's the fun part. You can control it by going, you have to touch a bunch of times. You can't just hold it. You can go all the way down to 1. That's gonna pump 4,000 gallons per hour because this is a 4,000 to 8,000. And then if I go all the way up to 10, now it's at its full capacity at 8,000 gallons per hour. And that's about it for this guy. Pretty simple. Easy to use. So if you don't want to have to do the Wi-Fi or don't have the ability to do the Wi-Fi, that's how you control it at home.